Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto SSU. Alright, today I'm gonna to describe or to tell a little bit about like, the hair, the hair from Baginda Rasullullah. Can you imagine that? On Prophet Baginda Rasullullah, this is the hair living by, this is the original hair from Prophet Baginda Rasullullah. Can you imagine that? I couldn't imagine that when I saw by myself. This is the first time in life when I see, this hair. It's not, the same hair that mom wore, like teeth or tooth. You know what? This hair very awesome. I think I couldn't find it like that because it's the first time in life when I saw my own eyes. And just a lot of people come here, and then it's very unique for me because I could imagine that myself. But did you know what Sahaba? I always remember the history from Sirah Nabawiyah, and then after I read the Quran, Hadith, anything about that, I read every single day, every single night, every single week about wondering about what is exactly about wondering about the miracle from here. Baginda Rasulullah. If you love somebody else, man habbani faqad ahabballah. If you love me, you will love Allah. So the meaning is, the point is, after you finish, you love Baginda Salam, you will love God Allah, because you couldn't find in life like that, because it's very unique one. I couldn't myself, I couldn't imagine that. I can saw with my own eyes. This is very unique one. It's very, very unpredictable. Maybe next month in Banda Aceh we will find like that. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, terhadap. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.